Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to configure AD 2019 in 2019 server. So this is my server where we are going to configure the Active Directory in 2019 server. This is a 2019 standard server. It's in our group. Now we are going to install the roles, add roles, install type, all these things we have to select. Now we have to select the Active Directory, domain services, add features. Then we have to select the .NET. So first we have to select the DNS. I'm selecting the DNS. Next, so .NET 4.7 is already installed. Group policy will be installed. So these are the new features available ADTS. So these are the features which is going to install: group policy, Active Directory administration tool, then roles like this. Now we have to confirm the so let me verify one more time. So I'm verifying the which all are the services, roles and features which is going to install. So next, and it will be installing. This will take some time. So the feature is getting installed. So we have selected the restart option. So once it is configured, promotion is done, DC promotion is done, it will be getting rebooted. So now we can see the configuration is completed. Now we'll go to the notification tab and we can deploy the promote the domain controller. So click on domain controller. Here we have an option: add a new forest, add an existing forest. So we are going to do with a new forest. So I'm giving InfoteknikaA.com. So I have to give .com without or .in or whatever it is. So I'm giving InfoteknikaA.com. Then click next. Now you have to give the password for the administrator. That is especially for the restoration and other things. Directory service restoration password. Next. Now it will create a DNS delegation. So we can see a warning that we can ignore. If you want, you can read it. I'm just clicking there, the show more. So once I'm clicking on show more, it will show what is it is delegation for this. I not create because you can ignore this. We haven't created any DNS option. So click next. Then it will create the NetBIOS domain name. What we have InfoteknikaA. So that will be the NetBIOS name for the domain. Then click next. Now it will show the folders where the database logs and sysfall are saved. So just see Windows. Then click next. Next. Now it will be configuring, promoting the DC. So it will take a while. So once it is taking, it will be configuring behind. So it has been successfully configured. So we have, sorry, it has been successfully checked. So the pre-check was being completed. Now we have to install. So once it is getting installed, it will take some time as I discussed. So already our pre-check was successful, so it is going to install the. So creating directory partition, create all these things we can see. So it is installed. Now the system is getting rebooted. So you are about to sign out. So click close, so it will restart. So server is rebooted and it came up. I'm just trying to log in. So test srv1.infotechnika.com. Now the server is in domain. It is taking some time to log in. So the server is logged in. So let it configure the Windows. So I'm checking the dsi.msc to whether the Active Directory tool is installed properly, so I can see what I can verify what all are the pending to be installed. So there is nothing. DNS is installed and AD is installed. So here is my domain. I can see all the OUs, computers, users, everything is there. So I'm verifying one by one. So this is the way we can install the Active Directory using manual method. So this it's a manual intervention. So one more thing I have to say, I have configured the IP address as a static. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.